Well, thank you for allowing me in your home. I'm Sam Roberts with Universal Windows, and I look forward to working with you on your project here today.
Welcome back to my channel. Today is a very exciting day because I get to show you guys the process on updating and upgrading Windows. So I finally get to share with you guys my new Windows, and OMG, you guys, I am upset. I could not have done this without my friends at Universal Window Direct. So huge thank you for sponsoring this video. Let's backtrack from the beginning. I had the pleasure of working with Sam for Universal Windows Direct. So he came to my home and I had my free at-home estimate done in the comfort of my home. So Sam brought every single part that's associated with a window. I also learned a lot during this process why it's important to switch to energy efficient windows. So Universal Windows Direct is truly one of the kind because they're the only company that come out to your home, do your free at-home estimate, and customize the window with you from the comfort of your home. There's different finishes to windows from like that. First and foremost, I really appreciate the at-home personal one-on-one interaction. You get to ask more questions. It's not pressure. Let's if you go to your home improvement store and you want to replace a window, it is not the same thing. That person that's selling you the window is not knowledgeable of every single part, and also it doesn't come with a true life warranty. I really appreciate Universal Windows Direct for having that extra touch. I also recorded some of the things that I learned about my new windows, what I'll share right here with you all.
And the last thing I want to do is I really want to show how a good energy efficient window really makes a difference. So focus in on the outside, 72 degrees outside. Got it. All right. So here we have the hottest summer day. Using our super spacer technology to plug up your glass and keep that argon gas in there filled up to 97.1%. Even when the sun is hitting your glass directly, with that super spacer technology, it's going to keep your home cool on the inside regardless of how extreme this is. Right? And now, it was 72, right? On the outside of the home. And on the inside of the home, it was 72 degrees. And guess what?
That is so cool.
Still 72 degrees. All right. This is our exclusive Unishield window frame. It has a fusion weld in the frame there, making it one solid rigid piece and actually making it the strongest part of your window. Also, it has multiple chambers for energy efficiency with a high density polyurethane foam fill as a thermal break, giving you maximum strength and energy efficiency in your window. The last piece and probably most important part of a window is the spacer.
Okay.
This is called a super spacer, and it's completely pliable and flexible. And the silver part is mylar. This is what your glass is sealed to, holding in the argon gas, keeping the outside air and temperature out, really making it more energy efficient. So that's our exclusive Unishield and how it's going to keep your home nice and energy efficient. First, I'm going to get some measurements for you.
So as you can see, Sam is taking measurement and he is measuring and labeling every windows that will be replaced. We are focusing currently at the back of the house. Once the back of the house is done, we are going to work our way to the front of the house. So after I was done with Sam, we had Nate that came to the house the following week for final measurement. And this is the time where if you want to change out your design, if you want to make a few adjustments, this is the final time to do so. So you do have time to sleep on your design. And I love the fact that with the consultation at home, I was able to get my thought process right, what would look visually appealing to my home. Not only that you get energy efficient windows, but you're also getting custom made windows based on the design that you want that's made for your home. Other thing that Sam walked me through was a Universal Windows True Life Warranty. There is no hidden condition, and this warranty covers you. And also, if you're planning of selling your home, it can be transferable to the next homeowners for 30 years. You can have different finishes, different wood finish. Interior of your home can look different than the exterior of your home, which I truly love that about Universal Windows Direct. You don't get that anywhere else. Plus the warranties. As you can tell, we were getting the area prep for install day. We didn't really have to clear that much out of the living room, but I chose to just because I have a white couch. Universal Windows make sure that from the beginning of your install to the end of your install that you cover, so they want to make sure that you get a HOA approval. So we waited about 4 weeks for HOA approval. That was one of the lengthiest process. After that was actually waiting for the custom made windows to be ready, but it wasn't as bad as we thought. We had our custom made windows done and ready for after I think like 6 weeks in. So custom made windows were ready. Once they were ready, I got an email. So for every step you get an email. From the time Sam left my home to when Nate left my home, they are sending me emails with updates on what's going on, so you are well informed of what's going on and what step you in. And also I really appreciate the fact that they do wait for HOA approval, because there's nothing worse than having your custom made windows and the exterior does not meet with the HOA approval. Obviously, if you don't have an HOA, then this does not apply to you, but some of us do. So after we got HOA approval, we got our windows within 6 weeks. I want to say there was like less than 6 weeks. Then I got an email and also a phone call to schedule my install day, which was like the most exciting part. Like, it transformed our space. As you can tell, I'm so excited that I'm backtracking. So this was install day. The only thing we had to do is remove the blinds, so that's what myself and hubby was doing. We had quite a bit of project going on. You guys know we're still working with our kitchen, so that area was a mess. For install day, we had Jesse and Austin that came to our home about 9 o'clock, and they were done before 4, you guys. They installed 9 windows that protect every surfaces of my floors and also clean up within the process. Jesse was removing the previous window, and the good thing about Universal Window, they haul your old windows away. Everything is in your price, so there's no hidden fee for all of that. They clean up within the process. They work as a team. Austin was installing the new windows as Jesse was removing and hauling the old windows. And I also spoke to the guy. Jesse been with Universal Window for 7 years, which means that it is a company that do take care of their employees, which I definitely appreciate. And my windows were done. Everything was exactly how Sam described it to me, and I'm so happy with the process. Some of the most amazing thing about switching to energy efficient window, not only that you bring in equity to your home, which is a plus, you can also write it off on your taxes, and also you are decreasing your energy bill. And also, you guys, it's just a game changer. I would never look at windows the same way again. It definitely changed the appearance of my home, my windows, and also it's so easy to clean compared to my traditional window. I hate it and despise spring cleaning, especially around the crevices of the window, but I share so many times on Instagram how this one definitely is a game changer. You can easily clean it. You can easily clean it from inside within outside. It's just truly amazing. And Universal Window makes the step of getting your new energy efficient windows so simple. They're offering currently buy 2 get 2 free windows plus 36 months, no payment, no interest rate. And guys, the warranty is transferable to the next homeowner up to 30 years. Just want to refresh your memory on how the windows look before and how it looks now. It is so much more brighter in my home. It looks so beautiful. I had the picture windows, and I feel like changing to bay window, especially my dining room area, is I wish I did a bay window in the living room as well, but it is okay. Okay, let's talk about the stuff that I love about my new windows. I share this many times on my Instagram. Obviously, it added value to my home and also brought equity into my home. But I absolutely love how easy it is to clean my window from inside and also to clean the little bugs of between the crevices of your window. Normally you tackle that on spring cleaning, but there is no waiting for spring cleaning anymore. You can do this whenever. And what the cool thing about this window, it has a little hole attached to the window. So the hole is designed at the very bottom of the window. You can see it right there. I'm going to add water so you guys can see it dripping down so it doesn't get stuck there. I got that question on Instagram, but Universal Windows Direct nail everything down to the design, so you don't have to worry. I can be watering my plants and I can see little creatures or just dirt buildup, and I can just take my water hose and just hold that area, and then the water just drip down, and it's so easy and so efficient to clean my windows. I absolutely love that. I hope you guys take advantage of this buy two get two free. Also, you can earn $150 for every single person that you refer to Universal Windows Direct. So check my link, and I also want to thank Universal Windows Direct so much for this amazing partnership. I absolutely love it. You guys are in safe hands, so check my link down below. Back to my design, like I am so blown away with my windows. Like, love it. Love it. I can feel a tremendous difference when our blinds are open. There's no heat coming through. The place is still nice and cool. I felt an instant change in the temperature of my home. You know your home best. You know we're not going to have blinds on those big windows in our dining room just because we love it so much, and we don't feel the need to have blinds also because they're energy efficient. Every time I walk downstairs, I'm like, wow. On to the next one, my friend. I love you all, and I see you guys in a brand new video. Mwah.